You must understand the larger context of your target audience if you hope to properly communicate your brand message. In essence, this involves considering customer intent, tying it to current events, and then creating and promoting content that is wholly pertinent to your audience's requirements. The context in digital marketing, according to Rebecca Leib, refers to the unrealized chance to learn a great deal about your clients and foresee their requirements, wants, and affinities. As soon as you have those, you should apply them to enhance your marketing across all platforms, gadgets, and regions. You must properly strike a balance between keyword-rich and intent-based content in order to do this. By doing this, you can make it simple for audiences to find your brand online while also providing them with the precise details they need. If done correctly, this will enable you to deliver very relevant material that is particularly tailored. You will be able to raise your authority, engagement, and online visibility as a result. Always keeping the consumer at the center of your digital marketing plan is a good rule of thumb, or the first C of the framework. This entails getting to know your audience so well that you can anticipate their pain areas and show a sincere interest in assisting them in resolving their issues.